My name is Nicholas, but everyone calls me Nick. My passion for crafts began since young as I enjoyed the hands-on experience with my creativity. And I believe that every handmade craft is personal and uniquely yours. You may wonder, I'm not creative enough for this. Well, let me journey with you with my step-by-step tutorials and crafting tips. From beginner-friendly ideas such as making paper flowers, to decorative DIYs and gifts for occasions. I hope that my ideas can encourage you to begin your craft exploration and create fresh inspirations. I will also be sharing my knowledge on craft-related topics such as tools and materials. So join me in exploring the possibilities of craft making together and look forward to the wonderful works made by your pair of hands. With you and Nick, let's get crafting!